Part 4. Draft some transitions. In 15 minutes, tidy up your argument as you proofread it. 1. As you review your rough draft, add some transitions. A. Try to create a smooth flow as you move from one paragraph to another and as you move from one idea to another within each paragraph. B. Add conjunction words to the sentences that link your claim to your secondary source context. C. Add conjunction words that link together two secondary sources in one paragraph. D. Add conjunction words that show how the primary sources link to your claims and context. E. Add conjunction words that show the relationship between two or more primary sources in one paragraph. F. Add conjunction words that help you move from evidence to interpretation or from interpretation to analysis.